Nancy's on the hunt for more Ferragamo because she got so much Ferragamo here yesterday. Ooh, I see Michael Kors. I'm gonna look at that. Right there. We've got Burberry boots here. I don't know what size they are. These are long. What is it so close? Oh, there. $30 for Burberry. Nancy's examining the Burberry boots. Nancy's getting the Burberry boots. They're super nice. Authentic too. I decided to put my mask back on. Just because their mask mandate is off doesn't mean you have to go all buck wild and crazy. And we're with Nancy still. And apparently we got a message on Instagram that a bunch of luxury clothing with tags alone is at a Salvation Army, but that's gonna be probably our last stop, so we're not gonna be there for a while. Yeah, but it's really stained. What do they have here? Paul Mitchell, Dooney and Burke for $24. Dooney and Burke for I don't know how much that is. That's actually kind of cute. You have this Dooney for $20. Well, that's not bad. Patent leather. Oh, there's this big stain right there. Never mind. Never mind. That Chanel bag, I think is, not Chanel, Coach bag, is $80. And this is $30. I don't know what brand that is though. Fake LV belts.
The same mugs.
Okay, so they have, oh my god, they have Chanel. What is that? It looks real. The Chanel. Allison Olivia, Celine,
Giorgio Armani is a no.
Prada.
Carolina Herrera.
That's a hard sell too. Roberto Cavalli.
Allison Olivia. They're all like.
I want to see the Chanel so bad. That looks
What
super
is it,
authentic. I don't even know.
I
It's a
think
blazer.
Like skirt.
What was it?
It looks like a skirt.
Oh.
Does it look like a, or maybe it's a pants?
Maybe, yeah.
It's a skirt. Oh no, pants. It is pants.
That is cute. Here's the label. It's really nice, Chanel.
Does it have like a hollow?
Here, hold up for a second. Like this, yeah, like that. I'm just gonna take a picture.
Chanel.
Hmm.
Chanel. 200.
200? Really nice.
Yeah.
What's that?
Chanel. Chanel. 200.
200?
Celine, kind of like jogger pants. Or no, not, it's not joggers because it's just like wide leg pants with a Celine waistband.
Yeah. Here's a bad Gucci, fake Gucci, no label inside and made of pleather. Value Village, Value Village, Value, yay. Okay, let us go. We've been here like every single day this week. Every single day. A bitch is tired. A bitch needs to rest. Okay. A bitch be tired of thrifting. Nancy disappeared to the shoes and the clothes. We are in the bag section. This feels like something. What are you? Zara. It is leather though. Let's, whatever that is. Oh my god, guys, it's been such a long day of like messaging people like back and forth for like sales and pickups, and sold a bunch of stuff. What is this? Nothing. It's kind of cute. I think it's pleather though. Pleather. So here's a Lucky Brand. Lucky Brand can be expensive. I just feel like it's just too basic for anything. I mean, unless it was like $4.99. But even then, I feel that's, unless it's a designer brand. I mean, it's a really good leather too, but it's a no for me. Ashley's a bad influence.
It's Ashley again. Maybe Ashley's the one texting. They're getting cheap. That's what it is.
I would have fucked or married the Value Village guy on Jefferson, the first place we went, and then the Value Village guy here that we just came from. I would have fucked and married both of them at the same time. Fucked and married. Fucked and married.
My girlfriend wants you.
I don't care about their girlfriends. Push them downstairs.
Yeah, make it look like an accident. Slip. Because the bougie bitch heels. Stupid bitch.
So, I'll edit that out. People aren't used to you talking that way, Nancy. Nancy's a family channel.
Yeah, just include it. It's not in my channel. I haven't tried vaping. Should I?
I've master vaped.
Master vape.
Master vape.
It's not smoke coming out.
No. Hey guys, it's Miss Philly. Welcome back to the channel. We went thrifting this Saturday with Nancy, so it was so much fun. It was a luxury thrift day for Nancy, not for Miss Philly. We did pick up some stuff that I do want to share with you, so stick around. We're going to get right into it. First thing that we thrifted today was this Danier leather. The reason that we went thrifting today is because we wanted to utilize the coupons that we got from Prairie Sparkles, from Deep, from Steven. So thank you. And also Alexander BC, he always comments on my videos. He sent me some coupons, so thank you, Alexander. I haven't gotten them yet, but I know they're gonna come soon. Yeah, so that's the reason why we went thrifting today, because of the 30% off coupons. Last day to use it is tomorrow, and I only have 2 uses left out of them. But the first thing that we got was this Danier leather bag. Nancy said to pass on it. I decided to get it because it has that utilitarian look, and there's some like lifting on the leather piece here, but nothing that's really major. And but I love the color of this. We're gonna moisturize it, and I think that we can at least get $20 for it, $20 to $23 locally. So we picked this up. We paid $8 less 30% off. We picked up this Michael Kors bag. I kind of overpaid for it. We paid $40, but I feel like this is the kind of bag that local people like, where the MK is all over. I think it's gonna net us at least $40. We ended up paying, I think it was $28 plus 12% tax. So I think we paid almost $30 for it. So there's not much room for profit on this one, but we're hoping, I guess we're hoping to get maybe 40 to 50, but even if we get 40, that's only like a $10 profit. So I don't know, I just thought it was kind of unique. Maybe we can get more. I'm gonna try and aim for 50, but I don't know, it might be a little bit of a stretch. If not, we might have to let it go for close to what we paid, like 40, maybe even 35. I don't know. I was just liking the MK look, and that's why I kind of popped on it. And usually this kind of print in this with the leather trim, and it has like the Michael Kors right there. I thought that was unique, but usually this can net us a little bit more when it's local. I'm gonna try and aim for $45 to $50. The only thing that might be a little bit of a deterrent for people is that it's just a hobo, so there's no crossbody strap, and that can be a deterrent for some people. But regardless, we picked it up, and hopefully we get, I don't know, I guess this, I think this was a little bit overpriced for resale. $40. I would have preferred to pay like 30 or 25. A little bit of money is at least a little bit of money. You know what I mean? Speaking of, we sold the Birkenstocks that we thrifted yesterday for $50. Today was such a busy day with Nancy. Like, I literally have a headache because I just got so many sales today, and I had to drop a bag first thing off in the morning, but I had to go to my apartment and then go and drop it off to her. And then I had another meetup with another girl close to my apartment, so I had to drive there. And then after that, I was messaging back and forth with Cindy, because Cindy purchased the Louis Vuitton tote and she purchased a backpack from me, and we couldn't figure out what was going on with her PayPal and my PayPal. Like, her payment wasn't going through. We've been going back and forth since last night, but we figured it out today. So thank goodness we figured it out. Thank you for your first purchase, Cindy. I appreciate it. And what else? Oh, yeah, the Birkenstocks. I was messaging back and forth with a guy. I listed it for 60. He wanted 50. And then it was so busy messaging back and forth. That's why I need an assistant. And thank God Nancy was driving. Otherwise, I would have had to pull over and do all my messaging back and forth while I was pulled over, and probably prolonged the entire day. It's like literally 5 o'clock right now, and I'm just finishing my work trying to film this video. Anyway, next we picked up these two little SLGs. Super cute. Okay. This little Coach, I thought it looks really nice. Like, I know it's kind of basic and whatever, it's Coach, but it was $5.50 less, 30% off. And I hit a Coach right there on the button. And then inside is like all leather, which is nice. And you have card slots, ID, bills. So pretty basic, pretty cute wallet for a small purse, I thought. We paid $3.84, so $4.30 after the 30% discount. This I thought was super cute. Again, $2.50. There's no name brand on it. The zipper is marked YKK, but this leather is so smooth and so nice. It's croc embossed. It's just a little, I guess, coin purse. It's super cute. And inside is all leather. Yeah, inside is leather as well. So it's really well made, like really well made. I don't know. Cute little coin purse, $2.50, and we paid 30% off that. And it's just a really cute little croc embossed coin purse. And then the last item we got, we didn't even know anything about it really. I just kind of saw that it looked like quality, and it's from a brand called Porter. So Porter is Yoshida and Company, Porter, Tokyo, Japan. And it might just look like a regular fucking bag to you, but it ain't. It's not just a regular fucking bag. It's a very expensive brand out of Japan. It has this like front flap here, and then zip top here, and then inside there's a logo that says Porter Tokyo, like right there. And then there's a white tag inside that says like made in Japan. It's right over here, right there. And the bags from this brand are literally like $300, $400 American. So it is a super expensive brand. I've actually never heard of the brand before in my entire life, but I think this is a men's messenger. Obviously it can be unisex because everything can be worn by anybody these days. But yeah, I really liked it. And I don't know, I feel like though, like I picked it up because it was only $10.50 less 30%. So we literally paid like $8 for it. But like, I have to be honest with you guys, like I'm not having much success at all with backpacks and men's bags, because I have that Danier leather men's utilitarian bag. I have that Hugo Boss bag, and then now this. And backpacks and those kind of style messenger bags don't tend to sell well for me. But I mean, for that price, I could have not pick it up. And regardless, if I really wanted to get rid of it, I can literally sell it for $20 and make $10 off of it if I wanted to. If I was desperate for money and I need to let go of the inventory, then I could do that. But it's an expensive brand. I'm going to try and hold on to pieces like that, you know, very niche brands that a lot of people never heard of. But yeah, that's all that we got today, guys. Thank you for joining me today on this beautiful Saturday. No thrift video tomorrow, so we're not going to do any videos until Monday. Then on Tuesday, I'm hoping to film with Kier. I don't even know. I keep forgetting what his name is because it's like Kier Malin is his Instagram. So I don't know if his name is Kier Malin or Kier, or even if that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, he's an awesome guy. I'm hoping to do videos with him on Tuesday. And yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know which item I thrifted is your favorite. And thank you for joining me today on my thrifting adventures. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to remain positive, productive, and progressive. Keep manifesting those dreams. They will come true. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
What do you have like? We have Celine. Giorgio Armani is a no. Ooh, Carolina Herrera.
That's a hard sell too. Roberto Cavalli.
Alison Olivia. They're all like
I wanna see
designer,
the
yeah.
Chanel so bad. That looks.
What is
super
it though?
authentic. I don't even know.
I think
a
it's like
blazer.
skirt.
What was it?
It looks like a skirt.
Oh.
Does it look like or maybe it's a pants.
Maybe, yeah.
They should have just hang it somewhere.
I know, so we could see it.